Okay, hello Martyn and welcome to Australia.
Thank you very
Decoration
much.
Design. So you talked about texture and quality working with Elton John on his home. How do you clash artfully, with panache without it being OTT?
Well, you just kind of have to really get to understand and know the client and really kind of interview them as much as they interview you to understand what they want out of their life and out of their project. And then together, hopefully, you create decorative harmony.
Yeah. You spoke about growing through an interior and working with your client, getting to know them, especially with Cheryl Teagues. Do you think that this is actually a crucial part to creating such a personal environment for your clients? Getting to know them and understanding their behaviours.
Yeah. It's a wonderful thing to be able to create a relationship with your client that lasts. It's one thing to do one house, but when they hire you to do another and another, and then their kids' houses, that's an amazing thing. And that's when you know that you've really done your job properly and that you've got a real connection. And a real connection is the way to get a real home and a beautiful interior.
Do you think that's why you've become so successful?
I think maybe that's part of it. Yeah, that kind of hands-on. Yes, I think so, actually.
You also talk about interior and fashion, just that sort of concept of being hand in hand, working with Marytn on that, on her home and her having that fashion background. Do you see a lot more of the fashion, industry influencing interiors and fashion designers now launching into their own interior brands?
Undoubtedly, fashion and interiors go hand in hand. We see, orange on the runway. Next thing you know, it's orange on the wall. So it's very much a hand-in-hand process, and it's kind of a wonderful thing that we can wear it as well as sit on it. I love that.
Yeah, exactly. You love to play with period. How do you choose a favourite era? Do you have one?
I don't have a favourite era.
Yeah.
My taste is so eclectic. I mean, my own home is filled with 18th century things, juxtapositioned with, Warhols and Basquiat artwork from the 70s and 80s, and then I've got kind of very contemporary stuff. My office is completely contemporary, so my taste level's all over the place, but I love the eclecticism of being able to mix everything.
Do you do a lot of research?
As Oscar Wilde said, all beautiful things belong to the same age, and that's the way I decorate. I truly believe that.
So do you do a lot of research then?
Huge amounts of research. And
so
I travel. I'm very
lucky.
lucky.
Part of interior design?
I'm very lucky. I travel the world, and traveling is the best educational design I can ever have, because you pick up inspiration from everywhere and everything.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Thank
Cheers.
you.